This is our fully automatic rotary glass packaging machine. This machine is fully operated by this HMI here. You can see fully operated by HMI. Here you can see first the glass placing is there, then filling system is there, foil placing unit, a sealing unit for glass sealing, and an ejection for taking out the glasses onto the conveyor. This conveyor is also an add-on unit, and you can do batch coding on this conveyor. Now you can see the full demo, a full-fledged demo of around 80 to 100 glasses. This is a good speed of around, you can see, constantly we are getting around 20 to 30 glasses per minute speed. So if you have a requirement of this machine, you can contact our sales team. We have shown you almost a demo of 5 to 6 minutes, in which I think we have run around 100 cups, more than 100 cups. So if you have the requirement of the machine, you can see our machine is very fluent, very steady. It gives continuous production with a proper rate without any stoppage or anything. So you can, if you want the machine, you can contact our sales team and purchase the machine, and you can customize the machine as per your requirement as well. We make customizations in the machines as per the customer requirement if it is possible. So sure, you can contact our sales team and get the machine. Thank you very much for contacting Next Packaging. And if you like the video, you can please subscribe our channel, like the video and support us. Thank you.